Due to a low vaccination rate, some Texans might not be prepared for winter weather and all of the health concerns that come along with it.
Jaron Spore joins us with more. And Jaron, where does Texas rank?
Well, Texas ranks next from the bottom when it comes to the vaccination rate, something doctors are hoping to correct. On Wednesday, Wallet Hub, a financial planning and analysis website, released its vaccination rates by state, and Texas came in second to last. Reagan White has 3 kids, one is 7 and 2 twin girls who are about to be 2. She says if it weren't for vaccinations, her girls wouldn't be here today.
I had to go on bed rest for 2 weeks before I had them, and I had to have vaccinations myself for them to make their lungs grow because we knew they were going to come early. And then the whole time they were in the hospital, they had to have different vaccinations every day to help with something or to keep some kind of the disease away.
Clinics of North Texas pediatrician Dr. Lauren Haley, along with other doctors, hope to improve the vaccination rate through education of patients or their parents.
I am having a lot more patients come to me and ask about it. I haven't seen as many patients that are just flat out refusing vaccination, but it's part of my job, honestly, to be able to have those conversations, those kind of challenging conversations every single time. The more open you are, the better you are with your patient.
Haley says a measles outbreak in Texas could have been prevented.
With measles specifically, if you don't get vaccinated against measles, you're about 35 times more likely to be affected by it if you haven't had that vaccine. So, I mean, there's a huge chance that if you haven't had the vaccine, you could contract it if you're exposed versus someone who is vaccinated.
Because of her experience, White is urging parents to get their kids vaccinated.
When I hear parents don't take that precaution, it breaks my heart because there's thousands of kids that without it may not be here.
White and Haley hope Texas' low vaccination ranking will rise and make the state a healthier place for everyone. Our Clinics of North Texas is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Wednesday, they're open until 7 p.m. for you to make an appointment. If you can't make it there, MSU's Student Nurses Association is assisting the Tillman County Health Department and the Oklahoma State Department of Health by participating in a state exercise next Tuesday while offering a flu clinic to the public at the Tillman County Health Department from 9 a.m. to noon.
Lots of different opportunities there. Okay, Jaron, thank you very much.